Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have another Christmas tags for you today. So let's get started. To start with, I'm swiping my ink cube on a white cardstock, and these cardstocks are just my scraps from projects. The ink cube I'm using here is cracked pistachio distress ink. I let the ink transfer onto the paper by swiping it. I'm going to die cut that paper using Holtz Tag Die Set. I'm going to do some splattering on my tags using this red gold paint here from the Starry colors, Gansai Tambi Starry colors, and I have my empty box here. I'm gonna place my tags inside that box so when I do the paint or splattering, the paint doesn't go everywhere on my desk. I added a little bit of water to activate the paint, and now I'm splattering the gold paint on the tags, and I'll do this until I'm satisfied with the splatters. I'm going to dry the tags with my heat tool, and then I'm going to splatter on the other side of the tags. And because I'm not satisfied with all that gold splatters, I will add some more splatters using the iridescent watercolor ink. This one will give me some shimmer on my tags. So I added a little bit of that shimmer ink on my acrylic block and then splatter it on my tags. That iridescent watercolor ink is like the ink on tree liquid pixie dust, or Lawn Fawn has similar one as well. And now I'm going to stamp to and from on the back of the tags with black ink. And because the dots of the from word are already missing, I will write it down using my micron pen. These Santa die cuts are from Hobby Lobby. I got it a couple weeks ago. I will adhere them on my tags using foam tape. I will also use this Christmas sentiment stickers from Holtz. I will also add my gold twine on my tags, and this twine I cut them to 8 inches, and then I cut more than once. I think I used 3 strands of gold twine here, that's why they're thick, and then cut the excess. And the last thing to do is add my bows on the tags. And my Santa tags are complete. I love the combinations of colors that I use on these tags, and that Santa die cut is so adorable. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.